Hi, I'm Teacher Dennis, and in this video, I'll be discussing how to use the two different types of z-tables that you might be encountering over the internet. Okay, so let's start. So these are the tables that I presented in my class. Okay, so for the sake of our discussion, let's denote the first set of table as, of course, set 1. Okay, so that you won't forget set 1 because we only have one set, okay, or one table in this set for the z-scores, while in our set 2, okay, in our set 2 we have two tables. We have two tables for negative z-scores and for positive z-scores. Okay, so let's discuss the main difference between these two sets. Okay, so first, in set 1, all values are referenced from the middle. Okay, so 0. Okay, so all the area is coming from 0 going to the right. Okay, we are only taking regard of the positive z-scores because the negative z-scores are just the same as the positive, since if we are coming from the middle, we are cutting it in our line of symmetry. Okay, so it is symmetrical bilaterally. So there. Okay, so it's like we merge two tables, the negative one and the positive values, into one table, into positive. So all you need to do if you have a negative value is to go to the absolute value of that z-score. Okay, so we will be dealing that, and I will illustrate it in an example. While of course in set 2 we have two different set of tables because it is the reference of these tables is coming from the very left. Okay, from negative 3.4. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, our negative 3.4 has a very small, okay, a very small area already. Okay, so 0.003, while on our positive value, so it's coming from a 0. Okay, so it means the positive, it's something like a number line. Okay, so anything on the right, okay, so on the right of our 0 is of course the positive values. Okay, while all the values, okay, less than 0 is negative. Okay, so take note, if we have z values which are negative, you have to refer to this side of the table, to the left side, while here on the right it's the positive values. Okay, so we will be giving let's have an example. How about our z value? Okay, our first z, okay, is say for example negative 2.45. Okay, while our positive z value is positive say 3.39. Okay, so let's have 3.39 for that. Okay, so if you paid attention in how this this table is used, okay, where the reference is, then if you will get, okay, so let's draw and visualize how the z1 and z2 would look like. Okay, so basically our goal, okay, so this is our z1. Our goal is to find the area between z1 and z2. So this is our z2. So our z2 is 3.39, while our z1 is negative 2.40. What did I say again? It's negative 2.45. Okay, so this is the area that we're supposed to figure out. Okay, so this area. Okay, so in order for us to get that, okay, let's visualize it first. Our z1 would look like this. Okay, so please be careful. in using our table, it's very important that we understand these values, okay? So our z1 is coming from the left, okay? So our negative 2.45. While our z2, okay, so let's draw z2. Okay, so sorry for the very beautiful drawing of Teacher Dennis. Our z2 is once again coming from the left, okay? So in order for us to get the area, okay, of this green area here, so the one in between them, all we need to do is to subtract, okay? So that's the reason why you don't just follow Teacher Dennis that, hey, we're supposed to subtract if we're going to use the table. It's very important you understand why, so that you will not get confused. Like, hey, am I going to subtract or what? Okay, so that's our z, okay, z1, negative 2.45. I think it's not a good idea to write this anymore, okay, so that you won't get confused, okay? So all we need to do is to remove this area of z1 here so that we could get the green part. Okay, so this purple minus that blue area will be the green area. So let's have the values right now. Our negative 2.45, let's make it very big, okay? Negative 2.45 would be, so this is the 0 part, okay? So remember, this is the 2 point, what is the value again that we're getting? Negative 2.45, okay? Negative 2.4, let's refer to negative 2.4. So this is the value of negative 2.40, okay? So let's start counting 1 to 5, okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, okay? Going to the right. Okay, so let's make sure we're not going to get confused. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the area. So let's verify if it's that's a 0.05, and it's indeed 0.05. Okay, so that is our negative 2.45. So that's how you use the table. So our value, again, our z-score is 0.071. Okay, so 0. So that small area, that blue area over there, is 0.0071. That's what we're going to remove later on. Okay, so verify, confirm if it's correct. Okay, and the other one, our 3.39 would be, okay, our 3.39 is coming from the positive value. So let's find 3.3. Okay, so this is our 3.3. Okay, so let's make it bigger so that you could see properly. Okay, so our 3.3. So this is our 3.30. Let's count at the very end. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then it went somewhere. Okay, forgive me. I'm so lost here. So I think it's at the very end. Okay, at the very end of 3.3, which is 0.997. Okay, so let's try to check whether we got it correctly. 3.3, okay, that blue corner, and 0.09 indeed. Okay, so there. So 0.09, go to the bottom, and it's 0.997. So the area that we got, okay, the purple area, where is my drawing now? That purple area for 3.39 is 0.997, okay? 0.9997. Okay, 0.9997. Okay, that's correct. So our area, this green area over here, is basically our value. So 997 minus our negative 2.45 value, which is 0.0071. Okay, so I will show you a magic trick in OneNote. So all you need to do is to type our subtraction sentence and then equals, and then hit enter, and the value will be There, 0.9926. Okay, wow, magic. Okay, so this green area over here is 0.0, sorry, 9926. Okay, so that is our process for set 1. Whenever we're going to use set 2, sorry. Whenever we're going to use set 2, we subtract the values, okay? So that you won't forget, okay? Because sometimes most of my students are getting negative values. Remember, there is no negative areas. So maybe you could just put absolute value operator so that whenever you get values, it's always going to be positive. Or you can use this mnemonic, something like right minus left. Okay, so if you use the right table, so the values that you're going to get there minus the values that you're going to get from the left, that is going to be your area. Okay, so don't forget this. Okay, please don't let your brain, okay, don't let your brain confuse you. Okay, while here, since it's coming from the right. Okay, so let's redraw. Let's just draw it so that you would appreciate. Okay, so our 3 point. Okay, so our z1 is negative. Okay, negative 2.40. What's our z1 again? It's negative 2.45. And the other area, the other z-score, sorry, is positive 3.40. Is it 49? No, it's 39. Okay, so it's positive 3.39. Okay, so since our area, I think I could just use one drawing over here. Okay, so our area is coming from the z-scores. I mean, the z-scores are coming from our mean or our zero in our standard normal curve. So that, okay, so this area, okay, this green area plus this, sorry, too big, let's make it small. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, plus this blue area is the area that we need if you're going to talk about the area between negative 2.45 and 3.39. And once again, since we only have one set of table, our negative 2.45 is simply the value or the z-scores under 2.45. Okay, so let's get the values. So let's make sure our area is going to be just the same as our set 2 earlier. So for set 1, 2.45 is over here, 2.4. Okay, so 2.4 is here, 2.4 is here. So let's count. This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is our area for 2.45. Let's verify. Yes. Okay, so 0.4929. Okay, so our green area over here is 4929. Oops, let's have it black. Okay, 4929. Okay, 0.4929. While our blue area, which is 3.39, okay, our 3.39 is coming from 3.3. Okay, 3.3. So this is our 3.30. And then count again until the very end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's move to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4997. Okay, so that's 3.39. Okay, so that's correct. So 4997 is the blue area. 04997. Okay, so let's verify. Let's add it. Okay, so let's put the subtraction. No, this time, what operation are we going to use? We're going to add. So all we need to do is to type the addition sentence 4929 plus our 04997 equals, then hit enter, and then wow, oops, sorry, it must be 0.04997. Okay, let's remove this and then hit enter once again. Wow, magic. Okay, so is it the same area as the one that we got from set 2? Okay, our area here is 0 point. Dun, 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 dun. This area must be equal to the area that we have above, okay? Because those are two similar z-scores, okay? So the area must be equal to each other. It's just that we are using uh, two z-tables for this, okay? So please, hopefully you will find this helpful. Please try to make a lot of mistakes so that you're going to learn from it. And if you do so, if you find this helpful, so you may share it to your friends. No need to share it in Facebook. Why not? If you would like to share it in Facebook, but just show it, download it if you like. As long as you're going to teach someone, okay? So remember that 90% of what you teach or what you do, you learn. So whatever you learn from me today, if you're going to share it, okay, so it's a two-way process. You are refreshed and then you help someone else. Nice way to learn, right? Okay, so that's how to use the two types of z-tables. Okay, so let's just summarize. For set 1, we're supposed to add. Okay, so let's combine it together. Okay, so in one page here. Okay, so if you are going to use the set 1 wherein your reference is coming from the very middle, okay, you add. Okay, while if you're going to use the set 2, which has two set of tables and it's reference from the very left, okay, but of course the 0 is still here. Okay, so the reference is here. Okay, the reference is here. Okay, for set 2, what we need is to subtract and find the absolute value. Okay, subtract your z-scores. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you soon. Ciao. Bye-bye.